Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Nissan Micra 2013, and I'm gonna show you how you can remove the radio here. And before I do that, I'm just gonna remind you, don't forget to follow, subscribe and like the video, and that will help me for more future videos. So it's fairly easy to remove this radio. The reason I'm removing it is because it's draining my battery, so I suspect my radio at the moment to be faulty. So to remove it, we need to take this panel out, the panel that surrounds the radio. And to do that is quite easy. Well, I say it's easy, but it's not always that easy. But I use a plastic prying tool. Mine is already removed a little bit because I already done it. But basically I put my prying tool in here and I lifted the cover there, as you may have seen that bit. You can use a screwdriver if it's a bit too hard, but the screwdriver may damage the plastic, the trim, so that's something to be aware of. So once you remove one side, you can just unplug this whole thing will unplug like that, and we can put it up there. We don't really need to disconnect it as such. And then once that is out, you're gonna have 4 Phillips screws that look like this. So they're gonna be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remove the Phillips screws and then you can take your radio out. So in my case, what I've done is I just disconnected the power supply. I didn't disconnect the other connections there. So the power supply is, you may see here, is these 2 cables here, which I've disconnected. So if you want to remove the entire radio, obviously you just have to disconnect those other 3 cables there as well. And that's pretty much it, really. If you have a new radio to fit in or so, if you can manage to get this to stay up there somehow, we can then fit the new stereo, fit your Phillips screws. It's not really a difficult one. I'm ordering a second-hand one, by the way, out of eBay. It's going to be about £100 or so, and then replace that one. And that's pretty much it. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.